Hi everyone, I'm Miss Callie from the King Township Public Library, and today I would love to show you how to make your own bouncy ball. It's easier than you think and lots of fun. Come on, let's get bouncing. Sorry, I had to. Alright, let's make our bouncy balls. What you're going to need is some cornstarch, some borax, some warm water, white glue, colored glue, or white glue, and food coloring if you want it to be a colorful ball, and then some measuring implements. So the first thing we're going to do is measure half a cup of warm water, which I've already done. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of borax. So I want to be careful about that mess. I'm going to mix that up until the borax dissolves. So while it's doing that, I'm just going to explain that when the glue, borax, and cornstarch mix, they're going to form a polymer. So that's what lets it bounce. So once we're done making it, you're going to want to store it in a container or a bag so it doesn't dry out. Because once it does dry out, it won't bounce anymore. Okay, so that took a couple of minutes, but now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We are going to do 2 tablespoons of glue. So let me pull it on this so I don't spill it. Jeez, that's glue. Now we're just going to mix this around. Your hands are going to get messy anyways, so definitely embrace that. So make sure that it all mixes. And then you will notice that it does start to kind of clump. So then you're going to want to take that glove out. You're going to want to work it in your hands. So first it's going to feel very similar to slime. But as you keep working it, it will start to feel more like a ball. So it does take a little bit of rolling to get it to hold its shape. So you have to be patient. But you will start to feel it get a little bit firmer. Open like mine did. Okay, so it's feeling really firm now. So I'm just going to set it aside to dry for a little bit. But again, you don't want it to dry too much. So you want it to be dry enough that it'll bounce, because right now it doesn't really bounce. So you're not letting it dry. You want to be careful you're not letting it dry out, because once it dries out, it won't bounce. But that's it. The only thing that could be different for yours is if you use colored glue. Of course, your bouncy ball would be colored. Or you could add in some food coloring to the water and do it that way. Or when you're rolling the ball, you could try it then and see if you could get kind of a marble effect that way. So there we go. There's our bouncy ball. I hope you guys had fun. And don't forget to check out kinglibrary.ca/src for more summer videos. Thanks. Bye.